Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add WhatsApp order now button in single product pages in WooCommerce WordPress using plugin. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write order on mobile for WooCommerce. So this is plugin order on mobile for WooCommerce we will use. So click on install now and then click on activate it. So we are using this plugin and now plugin is activated. Refresh the page and then on left side you see order mobile for WooCommerce. So click on it. Now setting open. So we are in general setting. So you can add your WhatsApp number and then you see option show button in product pages. So enable this option. So we are going to show button in single product pages only and then you see show button in cart page. If you want you can enable this option. So you can add your number. So we added WhatsApp number with country code and then click on save setting. Now setting saved. So you can add WhatsApp number with country code and then you see product page. So click on it. If you want you can add your custom message for product page. So we added some custom text and then you see button text. So we are going to add it. So we added button text place order on WhatsApp and then you see open in new tab enable, hide button on desktop device, hide price in product page, hide add to cart button. So you can do setting according to your requirement and then click on save setting. Now setting saved. Go to single product page, refresh the page and then you see button place order on WhatsApp. Now click on it, open a new tab and then you see chat on WhatsApp and then you see custom message we added. So this is our product and price and this is our product link. So click on continue to chat. So in this way you can add WhatsApp order now button in single product pages in WooCommerce WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.